Before this video starts, I'd like to apologize for the amount of times I've posted and reposted it. I don't know. I can't work technology. Sorry about it. Pretend like you didn't see it. Love you. I'm not depressed anymore, bitch. This is the awakening glam. After you've rotted for a couple days, you know it's gonna hit better. The culprit was my period, so that makes a lot of sense, and I never see it coming. Never use a brow pencil anymore, but I want to get back into it. So we going in with the Kosas one. The clear one, oh my god, the packaging is like fairy mermaid. Yeah. Gelling these bitches into place. Really need to get more makeup organization because my drawers are filled to the brim. Like I can't fit anything else. PR filled week. Catrice sent me concealers. I've heard really good things about this. Ooh, I like the one. That's a good shape. Concealer is gliding on like silk. Wow. Feels hydrating so far. Come on, Catrice. I haven't even said it and I'm liking it. So far, this concealer is gas. Like, actually. Did I just say gas? I want to do like soft girl kind of makeup. I say that, I'm probably going to do smoked out wing. Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. Sorry if you can't get this, okay? I don't know what to tell you. I bring it down in this area, but is that a gnat? But I'm gonna keep it in my crease because I want the whole lid to be light. I slept with my hair in braids 2 nights ago and it did not turn out. But with this hair, I kind of feel like Sophie from Mamma Mia. I don't know why. Only 5K away from 300K and I'm like, darker brown. I'm just gonna kind of like define the crease area before I lighten the lid. I feel like this takes it to the next level. Make sure to do it with my eyes all the way open because you want to be able to see that depth. Concealer and kind of do like a messy cut crease. I'm not making it sharp because I'm going to blend it out anyways. And soften the edges before I set them. Set her with like a light bone shade, not like creasing everywhere. I'm gonna go back in with nothing on the brush and blend out that like depth we put there. The dark brown pencil, this is Kosas Allure. All like a messy wing upwards. Not have to be perfect. I'm just doing this for like longevity and pigmentation for a smoky wing. Go back and forth from saying like the most out-of-pocket shit to like locking back in with makeup terms. Who is that? I'm supposed to have any visitors, so I'm not answering the doors. Teeny weeny angled brush and the same dark brown from earlier and just kind of set over top of that. Slowly start to just kind of like smudge and blend it out with really light pressure. Continue it all the way down my eye too. It makes it like sultry, sexy. We could leave it like this, but I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer in the blank space. Oh yeah. Always just makes it like Victoria's Secret vibe. The best part, cleaning her up. Oh, come on. Slabs mascara today. This has become one of my favorite mascaras of all time. Got my lashes lifted, so they're a little like intense right now. These little clusters from Amazon, they're like super pointy. This lash glue is the best ever. If you know, you know. Always glue my lashes under. I feel like they look so much more blended and just like natural. Merit Great Skin Moisturizer has been my fave recently. We want to try this Catrice under eye brightener. Whoa, okay. I feel like I've been missing out on color corrector all my life. It makes such a big difference. Really like this. It looks like one with my skin. Nose too, and anywhere I have like a little discoloration. I will be using this again. This looks incredible. And the Soft Glam Fluid filter thing. I'll know what this looks like. Ooh, she's glowy. Wow, that's gorgeous. On Catrice, and they're affordable, I'm pretty sure. A little bit warmer of their concealer on like the lower half of my face. I like more coverage here. Brush, blend it out. Yeah. It's like a tutorial first impressions weird video. I don't really know what it is. This is what I'm most excited for. It's their cream bronzer. F4 brush never fails me. Let's see. Ooh. She's definitely a warm shade, so we're gonna be bronzy. Kind of reminds me of the Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer, and if you know, you know. This literally looks like my high-end makeup routine. I'm super impressed. I'm gonna stay on the drugstore theme. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Blush, literally a dollop of this. This is probably gonna be too Cheeky Liche is the shade. Fuck, Mal. Hopefully my foundation brush can like just kind of blend over this and fix it. Oh yeah, we're fine. Concealer under the eyes, a little bit less since I used some color corrector. I feel like the skin is really giving summer. I have a little under eye brightener setting powder, so we're gonna use her on a pinkish tint to it, so it should be brightening. Under eyes look set and blurred, so I'm impressed with this too. Don't have a drugstore powder bronzer, so I'm gonna use my Mario Skin Perfector. A little bit of shimmer in it, so it keeps the glow while setting. This is the Catrice Powder Blush and Cream Duo. We're gonna use just the powder. It's not like overly pigmented, which I appreciate. A buildable shade. Maybelline Lifter Liner. This is the shade Line Leader. Reminds me a lot of like Charlotte Pillow Talk collection. Liners last really well. This is such a pretty shade. I love it. These glosses from Catrice are the thing I'm most excited to try. The Pop and Glitter shade. Holy shit. Oh my god. Lip gloss this glittery, but oh my god, I love it. That was so much fun to apply. And they're not sticky at all. Back some inner corner highlight and bottom mascara, and then we'll be done. Brown on the bottom for a little bit of a softer vibe. I'm gonna lock her in with the Milani Make It Last. She's a cult classic. I've been sleeping on Catrice. This base is incredible. I feel like a baddie out of her depression. Favorite product is without a doubt the cream bronzer. That was insane to watch to blend out in real time. And the concealer, it's so hydrating and full coverage. This is the final bad bitchification. Sorry if I was weird today. I'm happy. Love ya.